Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome back to online classes of Iqra Ulfaz Secondary Schools, a project of Iqra Education System. My dear students, in the last video lecture, we discussed about the comprehension exercises of chapter number 2, the Wise Caliph. Today, in this video lecture, we will go through reference to context. As in the last chapter, I told you what reference to context is. For your review, context is given in this question and you have to go through that, and then you have to memorize or recapitulate where this context has been taken from. And there are some questions given along with that context. As you can see on the board, this is the context given to you, and these are 3 questions given with this context. You have to answer these 3 questions with the help of this context, recapitulating the chapter from where it has been taken. Let's go through this context number 1 of the chapter number 2, the Wise Caliph. O leader of the faithful, I beg to believe me that whatever I say in your court shall be the truth. The questions given with this context are: A. Name the speaker and the listener. B. When and where were these words spoken? C. Name the lesson. We will answer these 3 questions. Remember, this question in board paper carries 6 marks, which means these 3 questions given here, each of these 3 questions carries 2 marks. Hence, your answer to each of these 3 questions should justify 2 marks at least. Now we will go through the answers. I have exemplified you on the board here. Question number 1. Name the speaker and the listener. The answer is, the above lines were spoken by the rich man when he was talking to the Caliph in his court, in defense of his claim over a horse against a beggar. So this answer can justify 2 marks easily. Question number 2. When and where were these words spoken? The answer is, these words were spoken in the court of Caliph Harun al-Rashid in the hearing of a disputed case between 2 men claiming over a horse. This answer can also justify 2 marks. Question number 3. Name the lesson. The answer is, the above lines have been taken from a chapter, The Wise Caliph, of our secondary state English book 2. This is how you can answer these 3 questions. I will exemplify you reference to context number 2. Reference to context number 2. O leader of the faithful, you are the helper and guardian of the poor. This is the context given to you, and with this context there are 3 questions given. A. Name the speaker and the listener. B. Why were these words spoken? C. Name the other characters of the scene. I will now tell you how to answer these 3 questions. Question number 1. Name the speaker and the listener. The answer is, the above mentioned words were spoken by one of 2 men, the beggar, in order to gain sympathy of Caliph Harun al-Rashid, talking to him for his false claim over a fine horse. So the speaker, you have come to know, the beggar, and the listener is Caliph Harun al-Rashid, because the beggar was talking to him, which means Caliph Harun al-Rashid. Question number 2. Why were these words spoken? The answer is, the beggar wanted to convince the Caliph by his sweet words so that the Caliph may think his false claim to be true. Question number 3. Name the other characters of the scene. The answer is, including the beggar and the Caliph, as these 2 have been already mentioned there. The scene depicts the other 2 active characters, the Qazi and the rich man. I hope, my brothers, you have fully understood how to write references to context. I have exemplified you 2 references to context over here, number 1 and number 2 in this video. You may do these 2 references in your register, and and I am assigning your homework, you have one or two more references in your English notes along with your question bank. You may do that also in your register. Complete your assignments, submit them at your relevant branches, and we will meet again in the next lecture on chapter number 3. Till then, take very good care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.